Are you ready to unlock your inner confidence and command attention? Body language is a powerful tool for asserting control and communicating strength and power. Your hand gestures can convey warmth and authority, shaping the way you're perceived in both personal and professional settings. Today, we will unlock the secrets of elegant hand gestures and unleash your full potential. Join us as we reveal simple yet powerful techniques to boost your assertiveness and communicate strength. Facts about hand gestures. In days gone by, there existed a prevailing belief that true elegance for a woman lay in stillness. Using hand gestures was somehow beneath the refined demeanour expected of a lady. The notion was that an elegant woman would sit poised and composed, with hands neatly folded or resting gracefully in her lap, speaking with only her voice. However, as time has progressed, so too has our understanding of effective communication. We've realised that hand gestures can be incredibly potent tools for conveying messages with impact and conviction. In fact, mastering appropriate hand gestures is a cornerstone technique for captivating audiences and leaving a lasting impression. Thus, the once-held myth of hand gestures being incompatible with elegance has been unequivocally debunked. Let's move on and discover the hand gestures you can use to appear confident and poised. Number 1. Take up space with your arms. Picture this. You're seated in a chair, poised and composed, ready to command attention with your presence. But how can you exude confidence effortlessly? First, take a moment to settle into your seat. Position yourself comfortably, allowing your back to rest against the chair. Now, here's the secret. Place your elbows gently on the armrests, extending your forearms along their length. Let your hands gracefully dangle over the edge, signaling ease and relaxation. But wait, there's more to it. Remember, elegance is in the details. While you lean back into your chair to convey a sense of calm, ensure that you maintain impeccable posture. Keep your shoulders back and your head held high, radiating poise and self-assurance. Why does this matter? By taking up space with your arms, you project confidence and authority. It's a subtle yet powerful gesture that commands attention and respect. And when coupled with good posture and open body language, you amplify your presence, projecting elegance and power in every interaction. So, the next time you find yourself seated, remember to embrace the art of posture. Let your arms gracefully claim their space, and watch as you captivate the room with your confident demeanour. After all, in the world of elegance, every gesture speaks volumes. Number 2. Keep your hands on the table. As you take your seat at the table, position yourself with poise and purpose. Place your elbows firmly on the table's surface, signalling readiness and engagement. Let your forearms stretch across the table directly in front of you, creating a visual anchor that commands attention. It's about projecting confidence and openness. If it feels natural, hold a pen in your hand, but resist the urge to fidget with it excessively. Instead, let your hands rest calmly, radiating assurance and composure. Why does this matter? By keeping your arms outstretched on the table, you assert your presence and establish yourself as a formidable presence in the room. Simultaneously, making your hands visible conveys honesty and transparency, fostering trust and credibility among your peers. So, remember the power of your posture. Keep your hands above the table, exuding confidence and openness with every gesture. Number 3. Hold your hands in front. Holding your hands in front of your body, positioned around belly button height, with your palms up and gently touching themselves or one hand cradling the other, may feel instinctively comfortable to you. This posture not only feels natural, but also offers a myriad of advantages. Apart from its innate comfort, this stance exudes an aura of elegance and grace, contributing to an overall impression of confidence and openness. The act of keeping your palms open serves as a powerful non-verbal cue, subtly signaling to those around you that you are trustworthy, transparent, and honest in your communication. It's as if your open palms are emblematic of an open book, inviting others to trust and engage with you authentically. Alternatively, you can hold your hands with the palms facing down and slightly touching your fingers. This position creates a visual impression of grace and sophistication. It's worth noting that this stance lends itself beautifully to photography, serving as a timeless pose for capturing moments of elegance. By maintaining this posture with your hands, you convey a sense of refinement and poise. While engaging in conversation, you have the flexibility to slightly move and open your hands, allowing for natural gesturing. However, it's essential to consistently return to this basic position, as it epitomizes elegance and serves as a grounding element in your non-verbal communication. In essence, this seemingly simple gesture conveys a multitude of subtle yet impactful messages, reinforcing your credibility and sincerity in every interaction. Number 4. Use your accessories. For women, finding ways to occupy their hands is often more straightforward due to the ubiquitous presence of handbags. Utilizing your bag is a practical and elegant solution. You can wrap your hands around the strap, hold it in front of you, or even shift it to your left hand while mingling at events where drinks are served. This simple action helps to occupy one hand, allowing the other to rest naturally by your side. However, it's crucial to avoid the common mistake of placing your hands inside your pockets. This gesture can inadvertently convey an unapproachable demeanor, giving the impression of someone hiding something or lacking authenticity. Instead, keep your hands visible and at ease by your side. If you find yourself uncertain or nervous about what to do with your hands, remember the power of using your bag to occupy them. This simple yet effective technique ensures that you maintain a poised and confident presence in any situation. Number 5. The hand clasp. Another elegant hand gesture to consider is the hand clasp. To execute this gesture, gently bring your hands together, wrapping them in a soft embrace. Avoid gripping too tightly, as this can cause your skin to become red and uncomfortable. Instead, aim for a gentle, relaxed clasp. When seated at a table, you can place your clasped hands gently on the surface in front. It allows your hands to be visible, adding to the air of openness and delicacy. Alternatively, you may choose to rest your clasped hands on your lap while listening to someone speak, whether it be during a formal speech or a casual dinner conversation. Whichever setting you find yourself in, this gesture exudes an understated elegance that is sure to leave a lasting impression. Number 6. Tapping your fingertips. Here's another nuanced yet potent hand gesture to incorporate into your repertoire. Gently tapping the fingertips of one hand together. This subtle action carries a profound message of openness and reliability, making it a staple among public speakers striving to foster a connection with their audience. By ensuring your palms remain visible during this gesture, you signal to others that you are approachable and dependable. Moreover, beyond its communicative power, this gesture exudes an air of femininity and refinement. For added impact, consider positioning your elbows on the table, creating a poised and graceful tableau. Whether you're actively engaged in conversation or attentively listening to someone speak, this gesture lends an aura of sophistication to your presence. So, the next time you find yourself seated at a table, seize the opportunity to employ this subtle yet impactful gesture, reaffirming your openness and elegance in every interaction. Number 7. Avoid sudden movements. Different cultural norms and environments to consider when it comes to gesturing. While soft and flowing movements are generally preferred for conveying elegance and sophistication, it's crucial to adapt to the cultural context you find yourself in. For instance, in some cultures, expressive and expansive gestures are not only accepted, but expected as a sign of enthusiasm and engagement. Conversely, in more reserved cultures, such as certain Asian societies, subtlety and restraint may be valued over overt expressions. Therefore, It's essential to observe and respect the norms of the environment you're in. Pay attention to how others around you communicate non-verbally and adjust your gestures accordingly. By doing so, you not only convey respect for cultural differences, but also ensure that your gestures enhance your message, rather than detract from it. As we draw to a close, remember that confidence is not merely a state of mind, but a manifestation of deliberate actions and refined gestures. By integrating these insights into your daily life, you're not just enhancing your external appearance, but also cultivating a deeper sense of self-assurance and poise. So, as we bid adieu for now, I encourage you to carry forth this newfound knowledge with grace. Until we meet again, may your journey be filled with moments of elegance, refinement, and unwavering confidence.